a mind-blown chef. Why? Because I'm gonna blow your mind with my simple step-by-step recipes. Sit back and get your mind blown. Just when you think you've seen it all, you haven't. I'm gonna take French toast, an everyday classic breakfast dish, and I'm gonna put a mind-blowing spin on it. So for ingredients, here's what we've got. I've got eggs, sugar, powdered sugar, cream. I have nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and I have some fresh fruits over here. Strawberry, blueberry, and kiwi. Now, here's the very little twisty thing, okay? I have apple strudel bread. This bread is crusted with cinnamon, apple on the outside edge, and then on the inside it has a lovely raisiny cinnamon swirl inside of the bread. Get a shot of that. Check out how we do this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do just a tiny bit of vanilla extract in the bowl. A little bit more. That's it. You're gonna add a little tiny bit of cinnamon. About like that. Nutmeg. A little sugar, a few pinches. 3 pinches of sugar, okay? Then, add your cream. Now, depending on how much you're gonna make, right? So I got 4 eggs right here. I just added about 1/4 cup of cream, and the rest of the ingredients were just a light tisp of everything. Tis, aka teaspoon. I'm gonna add my eggs to this. We're gonna whisk all this up. All right, so all our ingredients are in the bowl. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna whisk everything together. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump this mixture onto a plate. Now, the reason why we're gonna dump it onto a plate is because when you make French toast, you don't want the toast to get real gooey. You don't want to saturate it with the egg and cream mixture. So we put it on this flat surface because we're gonna take our bread and we're gonna just dab it on each side like so, and then place it into our saute pan. That way the bread's not gooey and it keeps its bready texture in the middle. I got the saute pan on. I put some butter in there. Let your butter get nice and brown and bubbly, and then add your bread to it. So check this out. This is what I was talking about. You're gonna dip it real light like that. That's it. So the inside of the bread is actually still somewhat dry. It's not gonna be all soggy. Place it right into the pan. Same thing with this one. Place it right in the pan. Now we're gonna let the egg completely cook on the outside. The inside's gonna warm all the way through, and our French toast is gonna be done. Watch your heat. You just want nice little bubbles like this right here. Okay, about 2 minutes, and then you're gonna flip it over. Should have that nice golden brown just like that. That nutty flavor from the butter, the nice golden brown from those raisins in there caramelizing. Oh boy. Let it keep rolling, low temp. Do not cook it too high. Okay, so once you flip over your French toast, in order to check if it's ready, push down on the bread. If the bread is spongy, then it's not gonna be done. If it comes back at you, when you push down, it kind of springs back at you, the French toast is ready. Alright, so check this out. Look real close. See how I push right here? It shoots back at me, but then when I push like over here, it just stays down. That's an indication that that part of the bread is not ready yet. But the edges obviously are already almost done, so that's why when I push, it springs right back. Okay, so our French toast is ready. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it diagonally, and I'm gonna get 4 little triangles out of 2 pieces of bread. Depending on how much you wanna make, maybe you have 6, 10, 25, 50, I don't know. But stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how sexy this turns out. And there you go, look what we did with that French toast. Come on, man, you know that's sexy.